Right, okay, so next cheap build for scratching that itch, itching that scratch is this one, which is a 3-in-1. Unbelievable. So yeah, 3-in-1 set. You can do like looks like a speedboat, plane carrier, or you can do the aeroplane. I'm going to do the aeroplane. If I can find more of these, I will do one for each, but I don't like to break a set and then build it again on something else. When you looked on the website for 30669, for the Lego US website, it actually comes up with a space set, which is interesting. But then when I search Lego and 30669, it takes me to the US site and gives me the building instructions. So, God knows what's going on there. There we go. Let's have a look, see what we got. No doubt we'll have pieces left and all that. Opa. Okay, that's cool. I don't think there's anything else in there. Cool. So this one is age 6+. You have your normal instruction booklet, which does fold out. I'm going to use the PDF. Hopefully with more success than did the last one. There you go. So comes with the instructions for the airplane itself. Okay. But you can download from the website. You can download all the different ones. So that's kind of cool that they've supplied those. Being a 3-in-1 is quite a good idea. I mean, the thing is, it's like you buy this set and, you know, kids could do whichever build they want, which is nice. Or they can like take the pieces and start again, you know. So this, for me, is really good value for money. But let's see how the build goes. Okay, so I'm going to do the speed build, and I'll see you in a bit. Please like, subscribe, comment. See you soon. Bye bye. That was easy. Awesome. Nice to see it being easy. No rear wheel or anything, but yeah, that was cool. Easy to build, nice and quick. For some reason we have green and red on opposite sides, I suppose, you know, different running lights and all that. Might have been good to put something like the red or the green on the back, who knows. I mean, you've got spare parts, so you could put them. Actually, not many spare parts, to be honest, but we could put that on there, and we could also put the red on there, just to use them up, and we've got just 2 little bits left. But there you go. Awesome. Again, scratching that itch for next to no money whatsoever, which is very, very cool. Great for kids, great for me, because I like to do little stuff like this. The little engine details here, these are supposed to be the engines on the side, or the engine coming out the side. You've got the cockpit here in translucent blue, running lights, and then you've got running lights inside here as well. So you've got green that side, and you've got red that side. Ignore my 2 running lights here, I just thought I'd put them there, just for why not. And obviously the propeller and the wheels, and there you go. All white underneath, which is cool. All white geezer. There you go. So that build's done. Yet another one, which is cool. Another one in the series. Another one chalked up, which is awesome. I think this is number 9. Yes, I think this is number 9, because this one, which I did as well, is going to be number 8. So there you go. Smash the like button, comment, subscribe. See you soon. Have a good day. Have a good week. Bye.